Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. My people, we don't come back again with another Bonge update. I beg, today be your first time when you discover our channel, please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. So guys, una remember say President Bola Tinubu presidency told Nigerians that right now President Bola Tinubu is going for 2 weeks vacation, even when we know that Nigeria is sitting, on the keg of gunpowder anytime it go explode. President Bola Tinubu don waka travel abroad, say he dey go for vacation, he wan rest, he don tire. My people, una go come understand wetin dey happen. Tinubu is on the run. They say FBI don dey chase Nigerian president even in his sick bed. That is why President Bola Tinubu, his lawyers are now seeking enforcement of George order protecting Nigerian president's personal record with FBI and DEA. Okay, my people, now remember that drug trafficking case. The matter never finished. The US government is still dragging Nigerian president. The man wey hold the matter, he no gree rest. So as they come here say President Bola Tinubu don travel come, they pursue am. That is the reason why President Bola Tinubu has asked a court in the United States to enforce his previous order that allowed the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, and Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, to withhold some records that the agencies considered personal to the Nigerian president, and no harassment will be included, because they don't harass President Bola Tinubu right now, even at his sick bed. But they say people they call me, they call the interviewer personally and all that. You get. So President Bola Tinubu don't ask him lawyers to do this because he don't want to entertain this drama. You guys know what it is. See, any person when we say you don't put your hand for bad things, you can never run away from the consequences. So no matter how far you run, these things will still come back to you and hit you. I believe that is what is happening now. So in a motion personally filed by Mr. Tinubu himself on the 7th of September 2025 before the United States District Court for the District of Columbia, the Nigerian president, represented by his lead counsel Wole Afolabi and other attorneys, argued that pending Freedom of Information Act FOLA requests submitted by American activist Aaron Greenspan were aimed at exposing private information rather than shedding light on the conduct of government agencies. People's Gazette reports. So the motion asked the court to enforce exemptions under the U.S. Privacy Act and FOA Exemption 7, say in brackets, which protect individuals' law enforcement record from disclosure if releasing them would constitute an unwarranted invasion of privacy. Mr. Tinubu's lawyer said Mr. Greenspan's FOAL filings, which sought the entire FBI file on Nigerian's leader as well as DEA documents, were not aligned with core purpose of FOLA, which is to eliminate government activities. Instead, they said the activist was attempting to use the U.S. transparency law to influence political disputes in Nigeria. So in conferring period to filing this motion, the plaintiff ascertained that the court already resolved the issue of which exempt records must be produced, despite not having heard from intervenor. Mr. Tinubu's attorney said in their filings that the court appears to have chosen this language because the agencies can still ascertain exemptions to the production of records. In his response on Monday, after Mr. Greenspan asked the court to ignore Mr. Tinubu's plea, saying the Nigerian leader has been using his position to pursue opposition leaders and others critical of his administration. Mr. Tinubu's legal team, however, insisted that his privacy rights remain intact, even though he is a public figure. So they cited posts the past US court precedents affirming that government officials, by virtue of their positions, do not surrender all rights to personal privacy. The president's lawyers further argued that Mr. Greenspan's interest is obtaining decades-old investigative files dating back to the early 1990s. It does not advance legitimate public interest, but insisted serves the activist for profit website, Plain Sites organization, which publishes records to drive online traffic. The Nigerian public's interest is an individual, is not a basic for a FOLA request. So the filing reads, stressing that Mr. Tinubu was not a public official at the time of the alleged event under screening, that the FBI must stop the harassment of Mr. President. In the first place, why are they not, releasing these files? Why are they objecting that this file must not be released? If President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's hands are clean, why are they insisting that these files must not be released? You see, this is the kind of leader we have today. People, when we say they get criminal cases, when we say they don't do bad things, get criminal cases. Now, call they decide wetin dey happen for Nigeria. Why Nigeria not go dey where e dey today? Why won't we be where we are today? You see, you don't mock God. You cannot give what you don't have. Now you don't dey run up and down. You don't dey ask the US courts, may they help them, tell FBI, may they not disturb them again. And that and all that and all that. That what happened, why he was just a person, not a public official. But right now, those documents can never be exposed. So if you know that your hands are clean, why holding them? You see, una people. I beg my people, make we hit another news. This is getting very, very interesting. Drop your comments below the comment section. Share this video, make it go viral so that Nigerians can understand wetin dey happen today. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye for now.